Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring you're signed into the correct Windows profile. This prevents cache relinking to a different account. Next, close OneNote and verify it's not running in Task Manager so files aren't locked. Once done, make a quick backup of any local notebooks to a folder or OneDrive. This is crucial because clearing cache removes local copies. Doing these steps first saves time and prevents accidental data loss when you proceed. Now you locate the cache within File Explorer using %localappdata %Microsoft \OneNote \settings. This targets user-specific data. Find the folder matching your OneNote version, for example 16.0, and inspect the content so you know what's removed. Make sure to move the cache to a backup folder if you're hesitant, otherwise delete the cache folders to force a fresh sync. Once deleted, OneNote will reopen OneNote and allow it to resynchronize. You'll see sync icons in progress as cloud copies repopulate the app. Make sure to verify each notebook opens and updates. If a notebook fails to appear, use File, Open, then from OneDrive to reattach the correct copy. If problems continue, clear stored credentials via Credential Manager or reinstall OneNote to refresh app settings. Quick troubleshooting tip. If sync stalls, sign out and sign back in to force authentication and resume syncing.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.